Every morning our cat would leave tiny gifts right at our doorstep. At first we thought it was sweet, our cat showing us love in her own way. But then the gifts started getting weird. Old keys, torn photographs, even a broken locket. Things a cat shouldn't have. We were confused and worried. So that night, we decided to secretly follow our cat. We found her hiding in the bushes outside our house, meowing sadly. And when we finally got her to come out, we realized she had brought us another gift. A tiny, intricately carved wooden box. As we opened it, a wave of memories washed over us. Inside were our wedding ring and a pair of old, worn dice. Our cat nudged the box closer to us, purring loudly. And in that moment, we knew she wasn't just our cat. She was our guardian, keeping us safe and protecting our home.